This entire pan that you're seeing right now has 774 calories with 132 grams of protein. This is chanko nabe, a Japanese sumo stew dish that helps these athletes eat up to tens of thousands of calories a day, helping them into gaining mass in the sport of sumo wrestling. Sport that requires these men to transform into Lizzo in order to win. Due to its soupy and hearty nature, this dish allows getting your calories in so much easier, flavorful and tender. Pairing it with rice makes this dish a mass-gaining monster. With just a few twists and adjustments, I've managed to create this into a fat shredding machine. The most ridiculous macros you've ever seen ever in your life. And let's begin. Well, this is embarrassing. My mic is out of battery, so you guys are gonna have to listen to me doing this voiceover for the ingredients. So for our base, we're gonna use chicken stock, 500 milliliters of homemade chicken stock. If you don't have it homemade, then just do normal water, it's fine. It's gonna be a little bit less protein. 2 tablespoons of miso, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 500 grams of minced chicken breast, half a chopped up onion, some spring onion and coriander, and for our mushrooms, we're gonna be using enoki mushrooms, some brown mushrooms, and some shirataki mushrooms. And the Excalibur of cutting, konjac noodles. Super low calorie, 1 pack of them. This is optional, but you can also do 60 milliliters of mirin, which is a Japanese rice wine vinegar. Grab yourself a big fat pot like me. If you don't have a big fat pot like me, just use the pan. Works, I would say, even better. We're in our delicious chicken stock. Let's smack in our miso. Boom. Now, some people's gonna say, oh my god, it's estrogenic. That's true. Normal soy, which has been processed, is highly estrogenic. But if it's a organic fermented form like miso, like tamarind, make sure you get the good quality. You're chilling, bro. I'm using Chinese cabbage. So they are very high volume for low calorie, which means you can eat a fuck ton without the calories adding up. This is one of my main choice of veggies when I am cutting to my peak cut. Set this all to one side. Next up, we got enoki mushrooms. One of my favorite mushrooms when it comes to cutting calories. Super low in calorie, very satiating. And bro, this stuff keeps you full forever. It's like noodles, bro. Every single culture has a variety of random bullshit go kind of meal. And this is the Japanese version. Next, we're gonna add our stuff mushi in, wapam. Gonna leave this bad boy here. All that being said, I'm gonna pour in half a liter of water in and let this bad boy heat up. Too big, too small, shit. Now we're talking. Medium heat, let this bad boy heat up. While the soup is heating up and cooking the veggies, we're gonna make our meatballs, a staple in chanko nabe dishes. Chicken is one of the most common protein source in terms of traditional chanko nabe sumo stew, because the sumos believe that eating chicken will help them achieve victory, because it's a game where you have to stand on 2 legs, be nimble, agile, dodge. That's what the spirit of the chicken symbolize. For this one, I'm using chicken breast. So the macros is like stupid crazy, but the cows is like the opposite of what the sumos are trying to achieve. A cow's like, it just says 4 legs, doesn't do shit. So they believe in getting the psychic spirit of the chicken. Now the Mongolians, on the other hand, they believe that chicken is a peasant kind of protein. Like they believe that red meat is supremacy. Now, nutrition-wise, they're pretty correct, but it's interesting to see cultures varies when it comes to their ideologies of picking their food. For this one, I'm using some chopped up onion and a little bit of chopped up spring onions and a bit of coriander. I forgot to mention in the intro, but I'm gonna add in 3 cloves of minced garlic in this baby. A little bit of olive oil. Reason why I like to use lean cuts, because you can adjust the fat content. Now, I know, olive oil. When the fuck does Japanese use olive oil? Give it a little bit lush, but it's better than sesame oil, bro. I'm not touching that shit. Sesame oil is estrogenic. I think it's the 3rd most estrogenic behind soy and flax seeds. So, nuh-uh. As good as it tastes, as a flavor enhancer, I don't use it in my cooking at all. Fats I stick to are olive oil, avocado oil, butter, ghee, which is a clarified, beef tallow, lamb tallow maybe, and coconut oil. And that's about it. It should be good. Let's check on our soups. I am guilty of doing it again. I am changing my pot so it looks better. Apparently that one is a little bit too big for my liking, so we're switching to this one. And so for this stage, we're gonna add in our shirataki noodles, or also called cognac noodles. This one is made out of a root vegetable called yam. I haven't really dig into the process of how they made this stuff like extremely low calorie, but holy fucking shit, this is God-given food if you're trying to cut your calories and eat to get lean, bro. Like, look at this baby. An entire packet of this. Do you know how much calories is in this? 20 calories. Bro, crazy. You're gonna grab yourself 2 spoons, then you're gonna scoop in your chicken, and then whirl it around like this. So you create these like ball shapes that you're gonna dump that shit in. You can use your hands. Let's just do a couple ones of these first. So, yum, one in. And bro, this dish is so easy to make. I would say one of the most brain dead dish ever, because it's just a hot pot. Protein choice, you could do whatever you want with this one. If you're bulking, and if you're lazy, and if you don't have access to chicken mince, go for the whole chicken thigh, it's fine. Or if you are going for full health, say nutritional wise, I would swap out the chicken mince with the beef. Red meat is king, bro. So much better. Damn, I'm a pro at this shit. Holy fuck. Make your balls and then smack them in. I'm telling you, this is game changing. I don't know why white people has this conception of like, oh fuck, you gotta eat chicken and rice. Some bland ass rice crackers with some peanut butter or some shit. The blandest shit ever, where you literally have soup, add in 0 bloody calories, and it fills you up because volumization. I've been thinking about this, but the way how we treat spice nowadays reflects literally the same way how we're living life right now. We always chase for, oh, more spice, more creaminess, more sweetness, more spicy, more everything, more robust. But sometimes we neglect the natural taste, the natural flavor, the true essence. We don't stop and appreciate the beauty of the plain, of the simplicity, of the rawness of the foods. That's why we chase deep fry, we chase stir fry, we chase grill, we chase those stuff so much. But when you eat these kind of like stew, steamed foods, you're enjoying the very essence of the food. Sometimes when you stop and appreciate it, life just gets better, bro. I'm telling you. Damn, I need to make more space. These fuckers are taking up space, bro. Holy. Thing is, right? This stew combines the peak of everything you would want in a cutting recipe. So lean cut of meat, minced chicken, low calorie noodle, that's already amazing on its own. Low calorie, high volume fibrous veggies, keeps you full. This is a bloodbath. Let me adjust it. Boom. Lid on this and everything is set. Close this bad boy up and let the magic happen. Damn, this lighting looks good on me. Holy shit. There you have it, boys. Chanko nabe. The greatest soup for cunning. Let's do it. Oh my god. Phenomenal. What is there to say, bro? Oh my bitch. The broth is just amazing. It's homemade chicken stock, so it's not added with like sugar, seed oils, dextrose, any shady stuff. So with the miso, with the soy sauce, and the sweetness from the onion, from the cabbage, from the mushroom. Oh my god, bro. But I'm going to have to be completely honest. Chicken breast balls, 7 out of 10. Come on, it's chicken breast. Making chicken breast taste good is a art of its own, bro. And I rate this high as fuck, bro. 10 would be like some fatty meatball, like beef or some shit. But for a chicken breast, holy fuck, bro. You can use beef if you want. If you're bulking, fattier mince or chicken pieces, You don't have to go beef balls, go chicken thigh, whatever you want, bro. It's literally a sumo soup. You just toss every shit you have in. It's just an inspiration. My fucking god. Bro, this will be the fullest 800 calories I'm consuming in my life ever. Damn, good light. Bro, I'm telling you, cognac noodles, game changer. Game changer, bro. This pan applies every single techniques and methods that I mentioned about in this video. So you're seeing the action putting in play and see the effects, bro? See the effects? Nasty. Peace.